join Gilas program and hopefully represent our country and not just these girls right here na talagang nag-represent todo sa country natin. Hopefully we'll find new faces, new players na talagang magpapatuloy sa ating mga programa.
Last question, Coach Pat, from Epic to Coach Julie. Kasi next year will be SEA Games, no? And we have a title to defend. Are these girls... second pala tayo, no?
We'd love to win that again.
We win that again. Yung mga girls pa natin na nandun dito, will they be available or yung elite natin ang i-represent ulit?
Well, sabi ko nga, these players are available now. Mas malaki na yung pool natin. Not just the pool that we have before. Now, mas lumalaki na lumalaki. And I hope that, they can someday represent the senior team and represent well. And for a fact, December SEA Games, kailangan natin kunin ulit yung gold medal. I think yun na yung parang another achievement or goal natin, being the number 1 in the Southeast Asian nation. And everybody's leveling up sa FIBA. We're in Division A na lahat ng program. So sana patuloy lang natin yung ginagawa natin. And with the help, of course, of STP, President Allen and Executive Director Edwin.
Thank you. Coach, good morning po. Idol siguro dito. Coach, with the upcoming Jones Cup pala, when mo pala nilipan yung Taiwan and clarify ko lang rin po if kasama din po sila Naomi and Gabriel at the tournament.
Yeah, we're leaving on Friday. And kasama ko yung two of the under 18 players, si Gabby Ramos and Naomi Pangiliban. And the rest of the old Gilas senior team. Meron din mga bagong former youth members, sila Kate Obedilia at saka si Kristen Yumon. And we also have one from Canada, a newcomer, si Arich Borgonio. So we'll try to see how they fit, the team, and hopefully, maganda naman yung mapakita natin here going to the tournament.
Coach, bilang yung mga underworld program naman pala ng teams natin sa Gilas Women, siguro how confident are you that the two players of the under 18 will mesh seamlessly with the senior?
Definitely. I mean, not just the two of them. Everybody will be part of the pool for the future, and I know they can do more with what they shown us, the coaching staff, and I think not shown the coaching staff, but the whole country, what they can do. And they have talent, and they can do more in the future.
For Naomi and Gabby, you're going to be going up against tough competition. Division A level teams, so how excited are you to join the women's team and play alongside the likes of Jack Anima, Pedro Bernardino, Tia Castro, and others?
I'm very honored and blessed that the coaches believe in me and Gabby. It's just another opportunity for me to learn, another opportunity for me to get better and represent the country well. I just hope that we can be successful and show everybody that this is just another step in the rise of Filipino sports and basketball.
Yeah, I second that. I think coming from 6 teams together and going all the way to the seniors team is an honor to be beside Naomi, and it's an honor to get the call up from the coaches. And I want to represent in any way I can, and so I'll help out and do whatever I can to represent the flag. And I'm just super proud and honored to be a part of the team.
Thank you and all the best in Taiwan.
Like